How to delete your EA account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can delete your EA account. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step here is heading over to help.ea.com. So head over to help.ea.com and hit enter. After you're on help.ea.com, you can see different options here. So you can directly search for delete my account here or go to manage account, and from manage account you can find different options again. So if you scroll down, if you don't find it, go to security and privacy. Scroll down and there you'll see delete your EA data. Tap on learn more and go through all that process, but we'll just simply type in delete my account and search for that. So after you do that, you'll see how to delete an EA account. Head over to that, and from here, what you'll need to do is you'll actually need to talk to someone to delete your account. So what you'll need to do is scroll down, and since there isn't any option to delete it directly from here, you will need to connect to EA support. To connect to EA support, you can just go ahead and I'll just tap on that, submit the feedback. And if you see option to chat here, you can start with the chat from there as well. So yeah, you will now need to start talking to a person or talking to Sports customer service or advisors, anyone, to delete your account. So there you can see you'll have to talk to one of our advisors to delete your account. So just do that and appeal for the delete, and that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.